Anyone who touches this video in the next 24 hours is going to receive a massive win in their life. So make sure you go ahead and save and bookmark this video for later, because you're going to come back to this video and let us know the amazing wins that start to manifest into your life. We're going to start with 3 categories. The first one is going to be the key sign. We're going to see what kind of sign you are about to receive in the next 24 hours that's going to guarantee that things are going to start moving in a greater direction for you. The first you're going to see is maybe a pink vehicle over the next 24 hours, or you're going to hear a song you haven't heard in years, but you enjoy it so much. Or you're going to find a penny on the ground that you're going to want to pick up. Let's see what the key sign is for you. So we're going to go ahead and start shuffling. Throw a like on this video already, because you're going to claim the sign that we're about to choose here as we're shuffling. 3, 2, 1, here it is. Great. In the next 24 hours, if this video is for you, you're going to hear a song you used to enjoy, but you haven't heard in a long time. It could be anywhere. It could be on the radio. It could be somewhere on Spotify or Pandora or something. It could be when you walk into a store, a friend playing a song. I don't know. It's going to come from somewhere in the next 24 hours if this is synchronistic to your manifesting abilities and you bringing in what you're wanting. Go ahead and comment a comment right now, the word song. So go ahead and comment the word song, because as you're blessing this energy, it's coming to you even greater. Remember, the law of attraction is not just about like attracts like. It's about what we're identifying with. So identify right now with this key sign, the song that you're going to hear. Now, we're going to see what category of your life is going to start to increase as a result of you seeing that sign. You're going to see a lot of money come into your life, a lot more success, or a big quantum leap coming forward in your life. We're going to see which one of these categories is destined for you. Now, before we go into this, make sure you subscribed, because it's going to be much easier to come back to this video, do this exercise again as needed, do all the other exercises, so that you are truly manifesting your full potential. 3, 2, 1, here it is. Okay, a leap. You're about to have a massive leap happen in your life. There's a particular area that you've been dreaming of. Am I correct? One that you've been wanting for a long time to move forward. The one that's most aligning with you. The one you're ready for a gigantic win to come into your life. That's the one that we're talking about. To activate this, go ahead and comment a separate comment, the word leap. So the first comment is song, that's your sign. And the second is the word leap. Now remember, when you're manifesting, that's all you're ever doing is shifting your consciousness from one dimension over to another. You are moving your consciousness from where you are today in a reality to a parallel reality or a multiverse reality that the version of you already has this leap. So that's what we're claiming right now. So go ahead and comment the word leap. And finally, we're going to be doing an exercise together. We need to see whether you need to start preparing through visualization, through more gratitude right here, or through an affirmation. We're going to be talking about what core mantra that might be. So I'm going to start shuffling. By the way, share this video with somebody who also needs to do this exercise. They could really utilize this. Maybe even share it with yourself so you can bookmark it for later. But go ahead and make sure you share this. And by the way, before we choose the third card here on what this is going to be, a quick clip on a step-by-step manifesting system that you're going to want to be a part of right here. Most people are struggling in manifesting because they have so much down, they have no idea how to apply this material. That's why I created the Manifestation Accelerator course. It's a proven model to help you step by step on a daily basis what to do, how to do it to manifest your best results ever. Click the link in the description below. 2,500 clients have won through this exact system. We'll start your transformation today. I'll see you on the inside. Okay, now we're back. Ready? We're going to go ahead and choose one here. Make sure you stick to the very end of this video, because we're going to do the exercise that's going to put all this together and actually claim it. 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. Okay, gratitude. So go ahead and comment the third word, gratitude. So it's a separate comment. Go ahead and say gratitude. As you've already done gratitude before, you've probably heard of this before, but we want to have past gratitude for things that have been, current gratitude for things that are, and future gratitude that things will become. Right now, we need to act, not that we're ever going to receive this leap sometime in the future. We need to act right now that it's already been received. So we don't want to hope things are going to manifest, like I hope this is going to happen. We need to know it's already been received, at a higher dimension. God, universe, source, it's already been given. Not that it will be given. Big difference. Big difference in energy. One feels like it's already here. Another one feels like it has to come in some time. So I feel it's absent. The other ones, I feel it present. So right now, as long as you're in a safe space to do so, we're going to start activating the song that you're going to hear to activate your leap manifestation in order to have the future gratitude of already being done. So go ahead and repeat exactly after me. I am grateful this is already done. Go ahead and say that out loud. Great. I am already there. Wonderful. I am grateful for things that have been in my life so far. I am grateful for things as they are today. And I am grateful for all the amazing desires coming into my life. Now, take one deep breath in, one deep breath out. Remember, as we're stepping into vibration, it's about identity. You broadcast your thought. Your feeling is what magnetizes and brings towards you the things you're wanting, like a magnet. So go ahead and close your eyes. Take one more deep breath in, one more deep breath out. And go ahead and see in your mind a leap happening and hearing some music going on. Okay? So music's playing and you're having this leap play out in your mind in one area of life. A big leap in money, a big leap in love, a big leap in dream home, whatever it is. Okay? And now I want you to feel the emotion of gratitude. Feel it as if it's already done. Hearing the words I'm saying to you right now. It's already been done. Don't you remember? Don't you remember that it's already been yours? Don't you remember that version of you that already has it? Don't you remember the quantum leap you had this month? Don't you remember the song you heard that was an indicator of this synchronistic bridge of events unfolding between this video and you actually receiving your leap? Don't you remember? One more breath in, one more breath out. Stimulate more gratitude, more gratefulness. Feel right now in your heart you are the most blessed person on the planet. You are the luckiest person on the planet. Things are moving along in so many dramatic ways. It's amazing. One more breath in, one more breath out. And finally, in your heart, two hands over your heart, if you can do this at this moment, two hands over your heart and just say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Repeat 5 more times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And a final time, thank you. Come on back to the video. This is now activated. Let's see the amazing win that starts to unfold.